If you're looking for the best 6.5 car speakers in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we've put together a list of the top 6.5-inch car speakers that deliver premium sound quality, powerful bass, and reliable performance. Whether you want crisp highs, deep lows, or just a full upgrade for your car audio system, this list has something for you. All of them keep their features, build quality, performance, and genuine customer feedback in mind. Product links are included in the description. Let's get started. Number 1. CT Sounds Meso 6.5 500 watt car speaker. If you want raw power and crystal clear audio, the CT Sounds Meso 6.5. Three-way component speaker set is an absolute beast. With 250 dB RMS and 500 dB max power, these speakers let you crank up the volume without distortion. The included 3.5 mid-range speakers use a neodymium motor assembly, so your music will be heard from blocks away. The 25mm silk dome tweeters, housed in brushed aluminum brackets, keep things stylish while delivering smooth highs. This is perfect for anyone who wants loud, clean, and powerful sound that transforms their car into a mini concert hall. Number 2. JBL GTO 629 6.5 car audio speakers. JBL is a trusted name in car audio, and the GTO 629 coaxial speakers prove why. They handle 360 watts peak per pair with 120 dB RMS, giving you plenty of punch. The +1 woofer cone design moves more air for deeper bass. With 1-inch edge-driven soft dome tweeters, you get smooth highs and wide frequency response from 53 Hz to 21 kHz. At 93 dB sensitivity, these speakers deliver loud, detailed sound with minimal power. If you want balanced performance with JBL's signature reliability, these are a great choice. Number 3. GVS 6.5 full-range coaxial car speakers for budget-friendly quality. The GVS 6.5 coaxial speakers are impressive. These come with an integrated tweeter head, so you don't need separate tweeters or woofers. The Mylar dome tweeter and Captain voice coil provide smooth highs and durability. With butene rubber surrounds and PP cones, they resist aging and deliver clean mid-bass. Power handling is 50 dB RMS, 100 dB peak, with a sensitivity of 90 dB. Plus, GVS backs their speakers with free replacements if they ever get damaged, making them an excellent value pick. Number 4. JBL GTO 629 Premium 6.5 in coaxial speaker. Next up, we have the premium version of JBL's GTO 629. With carbon-injected +1 cones, they push out more bass than most 6.5 speakers. The uni-pivot tweeter lets you aim the sound toward your ears, even when mounted low in the doors. A dual-level tweeter volume adjustment lets you customize the highs to your liking. Low-impedance 3-ohm speakers work efficiently with stock car wiring. Plus, they include a 12 dB/octave crossover for precise sound separation. These are perfect for anyone who wants a clear, customizable soundstage inside their vehicle. Number 5. CT Sounds Meso 6.5 300 watt car speakers. Finally, another powerful entry from CT Sounds, the Meso 6.5 two-way coaxial speakers. They deliver 75 dB RMS and 150 dB max per speaker, or 300 dB max per set. Built with a fiberglass cone and nitrile butadiene rubber surround, they produce crisp and balanced sound. The silk dome tweeters with neo-magnets ensure sharp highs without distortion. These speakers are engineered for tonal accuracy, making music sound detailed and lifelike. If you want an upgrade that balances power, durability, and crystal clear highs, these CT Sound speakers won't disappoint. And that's our list of the best 6.5 car speakers in 2025. From powerful component systems like the CT Sounds Meso to reliable performers like JBL and budget-friendly GVS, There's something here for every car audio setup. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.